All right, y'all, welcome back. This time I will be teaching you how to do a running stitch. Here we go. You have your needle all threaded and ready to go. So we are going to start the stitch as we always do, going from the back to the front, pulling it through but not all the way, and then putting your needle through the loop and then pulling it tight. So the running stitch is kind of similar to the back stitch if you watched that one. They just don't touch each other, if that makes sense. So you take your needle from the back to the front again at the start of the line, unlike the back stitch. Pull it all the way through, pull it tight, and then put it back down from the front to the back and pull it tight. And then you're gonna start a little ways away. For those of you who are familiar with hand sewing garments, this is pretty much the gathering stitch. So you're going to take your needle from the back to the front, just that little space away. Kind of like a stitch-ish away. I have a hard time like navigating how far that is. So I have a little ruler on my middle finger, somewhere around like here, I guess. And you're gonna take it from the back to the front again. And then you're just gonna go tighten it, and then go from the front to the back again, making the same little stitch. And that's how you do a running stitch. Running stitches can also be used out of like a linear context. You can also use them to make like cute little stars, which is often what I do for like what I use a running stitch for. So like to do that, it's just like one stitch all the way through. So let's draw a cute little star just for an example. You're just gonna take it from the back to the front, and then put it down. You can see that. Put it down, line number one. And then you're just gonna kind of keep doing that one stitch kind of method, putting it from the back to the front and making one across. And then making the two little diagonal dudes. And that's how you use a running stitch for a little star. And then we're gonna knot off, finish this up, make it super stable, put it through one of the last stitches, and then make a cute little French knot, put your needle through the loop, and wrap it 2 to 3 times. And then pulling it through, keeping it all tight, keeping the excess thread out of the way, and then making one more French knot, just because we have a lot of thread left, so we can save it for another day. One more French knot around there, and then snip in, and we're done. And that's how you do a running stitch.